In this video, we'll learn about insurance management, clearinghouse and user-defined insurances. Click on the Settings button in the top right navigation bar. Click on the Insurance option from the drop-down. You will now see two tabs: Clearinghouse Insurance and User-Defined Insurance. Clearinghouse Insurance contains over 2,000 plus preloaded insurances that support e-billing. Each row shows insurance name, payer ID, supported claim types, CMS, NCPDP and UB04, phone number, address. Green check marks indicate which claim types are accepted. Use the search bar or claim type filter to quickly find specific insurances. Click on any insurance to view full details including payer IDs, contact information, mailing address. To add a new custom insurance, switch to the User-Defined Insurance tab. Click on Add Dynamic Insurance. Fill out the form. Click Save. Your custom insurance will now appear under the user-defined list.
PinkyBill